yo, Sean, man, I forgot what it is, man.
Ah, man. Stigmatism in my soul.
You sure?
Yeah. No lies. Truths. Some workouts, man. Some calisthenics.
Yo, man, you now listening to the dopest channel on YouTube, man. Hands down, Gunby Publishing. No competition. What's up, Sean? Tell
What's
him,
up, man? Stigmatism in my soul. We ain't never stop.
Listen, man. Nigga got that fed look, man. Nigga lean, man. Yo, Patterson, New Jersey, man. I got my man here. Just walked up on him. I don't know him. What's up, man? What's your name, man?
Elijah.
Elijah?
Elijah?
Yeah. Elijah?
Yeah, Elijah.
Elijah.
Yeah.
Elijah, what nationality are you?
I'm Macedonian.
Yo, shout out to Macedonia, man. I got subscribers in Macedonia. Where you from?
I'm from Clifton.
From Clifton?
Yeah.
All right, that's what's up. That's what's up, my hometown, my home where I am. How old are you?
I'm 16.
16?
Yeah.
So you go to Clifton High?
Nah, I go to Windsor in Paramus.
Windsor?
Yeah.
Was that a private school?
Nah, it's like alternative.
Alternative school?
Yeah.
All right, so you wasn't doing right in the public school, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you went to Clifton High?
Nah, I went to
Woodrow,
CCMS.
Columbus?
CCMS.
Christopher Columbus?
Yeah, Christopher Columbus.
So after that, 8th grade, they kicked you out in 8th grade or something?
Yeah.
What you get kicked out for?
I had like too many suspensions. I got COVID.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Elijah, what's up? What's up with this pull-up bar, man? What's going on, man? 16. How old are you now?
I'm 16.
16 years old, y'all. Check them out. Patterson, New Jersey, Eastside Park. Clean. Nigga getting that clean pull-up money, chin over the bar. Y'all check them out, man. We in Patterson, man. Coronavirus out, everything, the park full, everybody out here. Nobody care nothing about no coronavirus. Okay, getting the abs. Getting them abs. Check them out, y'all. Shout out to Windsor School in Paramus, man. Shout out to Christopher Columbus. You went to Christopher Columbus Junior High, middle school. Yo, Elijah, what's up with some push-ups, man? You get a little push-up money for us?
Your body should feel better. Nah, but I worked out already. Now I started smoking.
Mo Klein, I see you, baby.
So?
Oh, okay. Elijah getting the diamond joints.
Monday.
Check them out, y'all.
Tomorrow.
You getting them diamonds.
Tomorrow Fridays, huh? Today Thursday. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Tomorrow.
Yo, the park full, man. About 70 degrees, coronavirus
Friday,
out. Okay, Elijah done switched it up. You done went wide grip on us.
What time?
You done went wide grip on us.
Alright.
Park full, coronavirus, don't nobody care. I don't care, the camera rolling. Elijah done went back to the diamond grip, y'all. He stayed in there. I know he bought about a 30 piece. That's gotta be about a 30, maybe even more. Got the tattoo on the arm and shit. How many was that, Elijah?
I think about 25 or something.
25?
30, yeah.
25, that was more than 25.
Yeah.
All right, so look, check it out. Now, you was getting some dip money before?
Yeah.
Okay, let's let them brothers get finished on the dip bar. We're gonna get over there. So yeah, you got the dip money, you get a little dip money right here?
Yeah.
Get some dips right there on the other corner. We're in Patterson, man. Eastside Park. You ain't gotta go to no gym, you ain't gotta pay no money for no gym membership. They out here. Guinea tees on, tank tops on, they getting money. Macedonia, where you at? Leave a comment below if you from Macedonia. My man right here representing strong from Macedonia. He representing.
Push-ups have been gone.
Okay. Now Elijah, check it out, man. Now you 16. Now we ain't on the fruit pop thing, but you know what I'm saying, you look like you work out and shit.
Yeah.
Now, how long you been working out?
About like a month right now. Yeah.
Your whole life?
Oh no, my whole life. Yeah, I've been working out my whole life.
Since what age?
Like 10.
Since you was at 10?
Yeah.
What you started doing at 10 years old?
Like push-ups, pull-ups, regular stuff.
Why?
I don't know. I just liked it for me. I used to be active and stuff.
Oh, you used to be active?
Yeah.
Who got you into working out doing push-ups and shit?
My dad.
Your father?
Yeah.
What's your father's name?
Oliver.
Yo, shout out to Oliver, man. Where he at? He in Macedonia or he here?
Nah, he in Clifton.
Yo, shout out to Oliver and Clifton, man. Now, Elijah, check it out. What kind of foods you eat, man? You got abs? You got abs? Nigga, we see the map. Where the abs at? Okay, nigga, got abs. All right, we see. What kind of foods you eat, man?
I eat fish, salmon. I don't really eat meat that much.
Why not?
I don't know, like, I don't eat pork. I don't eat.
You Muslim?
Nah.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
No
I eat
pork? Fruit? A lot of fruit?
A lot of fruit, yeah.
Okay. You
Like
fuck
that.
with McDonald's and shit like
Nah.
that? Slices, pieces and shit?
I mean, like once a month, maybe sometimes.
Okay.
But like, I don't eat that like that.
But pretty much you be on top of your game as far as
Yeah.
your food.
Yeah.
Who taught you to eat like that?
Myself.
Why? Why do you choose that?
Cause I don't know. I just like when I used to eat a lot, like my body wouldn't be in shape. I started eating like good stuff, like fruit and stuff. Feel me? And I liked it. Feel me?
Okay. Now, Elijah, steroids, creatine, supplements,
Hell,
anything?
Nah.
No supplements.
Nah.
Why not?
It's bad for you. I don't do that. Like for me, it's bad for me. I don't believe in that stuff. Feel me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Elijah, check it out, man. Let's talk about you was in Christopher Columbus, right?
Yeah.
8th grade. You was wilding out.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, the dog, keep it a buck with you.
All right. So you got kicked out of junior high. So you never made it to Clifton High. You never made it to 9th grade.
I never went to Clifton High.
So straight from 8th grade, you went to Windsor.
I went to his little private school in New Hope, some shit, Clifton. Yeah, and then I stayed there for like.
You got kicked out of there too.
Yeah,
you got kicked out of there too. All right. So check it out, man. What's up? Why you keep getting kicked out of school? What's up with that shit?
Oh, I don't even know, man. I just like.
Would you be fighting and shit, or you just be doing other shit?
I just be doing stupid shit, man.
Why? Why you be doing stupid shit?
I don't know. I don't do that shit no more though. Feel me? Like, I used to be like a little kid, immature. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Feel me? But now like, I'm cool. I'm chilling.
You chilling now?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
So you learned from your mistakes.
Hell yeah.
What did you learn?
That like, the consequences is bad for me. It's bad stuff.
Okay.
Shit like that.
Okay. What kind of music you listen to?
I listen to rap.
Rap? Who the dopest out right now?
Dopest out right now? It's Young Boy.
Young Boy?
Yeah, I'm the Young Boy.
What about the old school hip hop? You fuck with the old school shit from the 80s?
DMX.
DMX?
DMX, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, DMX is 90. That's new school. I'm talking about the old school shit from the 80s, the golden era.
I fuck with that, bro. My man's listen to it. Where he at? Him.
Okay.
It's my man's right here.
Okay. Now, Elijah, check it out, man. Check it out, man. Let me tell you this, man. You're 16 years old.
Yeah.
I'm 50. All right?
Yeah.
You listen to me, you listen to what I'm telling you.
Yeah, I listen.
Man, you got the whole world in the palm of your hand, man.
Yeah, facts.
You could do whatever it is you want to do in this life. You're a baby.
Yeah.
Leave the dumb shit alone. Look at me, man. Leave the dumb shit alone. Stay away from sucker ass niggas, man. That ain't about nothing.
Yeah.
And find out what Elijah loves to do and what Elijah likes and start doing it today, right? And your past, don't worry about that. We all done been through that.
Yeah.
Kicked out of school, this and that. I did it. We all done did it, suspended. But you're 16, you're taking care of your health. You sound like you on point mentally, which I can see that's coming through. So do what you got to do, man. Let me ask you one last question. You're 16, where you gonna be at 26?
26?
In 10 years.
I'm thinking about getting my own plumbing business or something like that.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
You wanna work for yourself?
Yeah, working for myself.
Why you don't wanna work for nobody?
I like to be my own boss. Yeah.
Okay. That's what's up. Yo, Elijah, man, listen, I want to thank you for letting me get this interview.
Got
Do
you,
me a
man.
favor, man. Tell the people, say, yo, Sean got the dopest channel on you. Sean G got the dopest channel on YouTube.
Sean got the dopest channel on YouTube, you heard?
Yeah,
You go shout my mans up, subscribe over here, you heard?
Yo, you speak Macedonian?
Yeah.
Say what's up to my people. I got subscribers in Macedonia, man. Say something to them in Macedonia. Say Sean G got the dopest channel, man.
Sean G. Gagosi.
You said that in Macedonia?
Yeah.
My man. Appreciate you, Elijah.
Got you,
Peace.
man.